Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to order prescriptions on the Walgreens app. So first, open the Walgreens app and sign into your account. Then tap the pharmacy section and look for your prescriptions. Then select the prescription you want to refill and review the available refill information. From there, choose your preferred Walgreens location if prompted. Then review the prescription details and select the option to submit the refill request. You can then check the app for updates about when your prescription is ready. And you need to keep in mind that some prescription may require approval from your doctor or may not be eligible for an online refill. So that was how to order a prescription refill through the Walgreens app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.